Hi, my name is Qatada. I'm a postgraduate researcher with Confirm, based at Bernal Institute, University of Limerick. My research is focused on how to design smart production systems using AI technologies. Essentially, my aim is to teach computers to make decisions mimicking some of the complexity of the human brain. Our idea is to build a smart agent. That's a piece of software that mimics the behavior of a human operator for a process. To train the smart agent, we need to create a cyber model based on real process data using a neural network, which is another piece of software that imitates the brain. Our research makes process more efficient and robust. Developing a cyber model to test new processes can lower the cost and the needed time for the process development. Our first system has found an application in the pharmaceutical industry, where ingredients are very expensive and the cost of process scale-up can easily skyrocket.